Have you ever made dua again and again and wondered why Allah is not answering it yet?
It feels painful when you ask sincerely, but nothing seems to change around you. But remember this truth: Allah never ignores your dua, not even for a moment. Sometimes Allah delays a du'at because the timing you want is not the timing you need. What you are asking for right now might harm you in ways you cannot see yet. So Allah protects you by delaying it until your heart, life, and future are ready. Sometimes Allah answers your dua differently, by removing a difficulty instead of giving what you asked. And sometimes Allah saves your dua for the Akhirah, where its reward will shock you with mercy. If Allah made you wait, it does not mean He said no. It means He is teaching you patience, trust, and closeness to Him through dua. The delay is not rejection. The delay is part of the answer itself. Allah knows the exact moment when your dua will become a blessing, not a test. So keep making dua, even when you are tired, because Allah loves hearing your voice. Trust Allah's timing completely, because when He answers, it will be better than you imagined.